try it out. Delicious. And that took what, 5 minutes maybe? And today what I want to show you is if you do the right amount of prep and the right type of prep on the meal prep day, when it comes to your actual meals, you can use the same element you prepared earlier to make different meals. So that's what we're going to do today. We had our taco meat with our corn and bean salad. So we're going to use this as a burrito mix today, which is going to be really, really good. And so what I'm going to show you today is how to do a bigger double burrito. You're going to take your 2 tortillas and we're going to add some beans inside. We're gonna spread those across our tortilla. Now what we're gonna do is turn on our pan, make sure it's hot for us when we're ready. Our taco meat with our corn and beans. A little bit of zucchini in there. Watch the video, I'll put a link up top for you guys if you want to see how that was made exactly. You can see that there. Now we're gonna add some hot salsa. Woo! Make it spicy. Some tomato, a little bit of lettuce, and we'll add a little bit of yogurt as well. So what you want to do is like with any burrito, you fold the edges around, fold in half, and then you tuck it in and you slowly roll. You see there's a lot of juices coming out, which is all right. Squeeze all that out, flatten it, and this is the side we're gonna start cooking it on. A dry pan, you don't need any oil. And you push it down. And like with other things in this series, you don't want to move this around, you don't want to flip it. We're just going to flip it one time towards the end. So we're just going to leave it as is and wait. Alright, as you can see, it's kind of stuck a little bit, so I'm going to use a spatula just to pry it up a little bit. It's all the juices that came out. And we flip. Get out of here. I got a better view. Nice and... Wow, nice crunch to it. If you wanted it a little bit extra crunchy, then you can put a little bit of oil and it'll fry a little bit, so it'll be even more crunchy that way, but then you're gonna have a little bit more calories as well, so keep that in mind. We're almost done. Nice and quick and easy. I'm so hungry. Wrap it in some aluminum foil and take it with you on the go. All right, let's check our burrito. Other side's looking good. And she's done. On a plate, you want a little bit extra, make it a little small side salad here. And there you have it, a burrito with some taco meat with corn and beans. Let's try it out. Delicious. And that took what, 5 minutes maybe?
Bye.